extreme powerful heavy-duty machines that are on another level. In the world of construction, forestry, and waste management, certain machines stand out due to their extreme power and capability. These heavy-duty machines are engineered to tackle the toughest tasks, making them indispensable tools in their respective fields. From massive excavators to specialized forestry winches, these machines operate on another level, showcasing the pinnacle of modern engineering. Liebherr HS8130. The Liebherr HS8130 is a heavy-duty crawler crane that represents the epitome of power and versatility in lifting and material handling tasks. This machine is equipped with a robust lattice boom that can be extended to impressive lengths, allowing it to handle heavy loads with exceptional reach. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise operations, making it ideal for large construction projects, such as bridge building and infrastructure development. The HS8130's lifting capacity is extraordinary, enabling it to hoist massive components effortlessly. One of the key strengths of the Liebherr HS8130 is its adaptability. The crane can be fitted with various attachments, including dragline buckets, clamshell grabs, and lifting hooks, enhancing its utility across different job sites. GX-EK60LP. The GX-EK60LP is a powerful and versatile piling rig designed for deep foundation projects. This machine is renowned for its ability to drill through the toughest ground conditions, making it essential for constructing stable foundations in challenging terrains. The EK60LP features a high-performance engine that delivers immense power, enabling it to penetrate dense soil and rock formations with ease. Its advanced hydraulic system provides smooth and precise control, allowing operators to perform drilling operations with remarkable accuracy. What sets the GX-EK60LP apart is its innovative design and adaptability. The machine can be equipped with various drilling tools and attachments, enabling it to perform a wide range of foundation work, from board piles to continuous fly launcher (CFA) piles. Diamond mowers. Diamond mowers are specialized machines designed for the toughest vegetation management tasks. These powerful mowers are built to clear dense brush, trees, and other heavy vegetation, making them essential for land clearing and maintenance projects. Diamond mowers are equipped with high-performance engines and robust cutting systems, allowing them to tackle thick underbrush and small trees with ease. Their advanced hydraulic systems ensure smooth and efficient operation, providing operators with precise control over the mowing process. One of the standout features of diamond mowers is their versatility. They can be attached to various types of machinery, including skid steers, excavators, and tractors, making them suitable for a wide range of applications. Slag pot transporter. The slag pot transporter is a heavy-duty machine designed specifically for the steel and metal industries. Its primary function is to transport slag, a byproduct of metal smelting processes, from the furnace to the slag dumping area. These transporters are built to handle extremely high temperatures and heavy loads, ensuring safe and efficient slag removal. The robust design of the slag pot transporter allows it to carry massive slag pots filled with molten material, making it an essential component in metal production facilities. One of the key features of the slag pot transporter is its advanced cooling system, which protects the machine from the intense heat generated by the molten slag. Pacmat waste compactor. The Pacmat waste compactor is an innovative machine designed to optimize waste management operations. This compactor is used to compress waste materials, reducing their volume and making them easier to transport and dispose of. The Pacmat features a powerful hydraulic system that delivers immense force, allowing it to compact a wide variety of waste materials, from household garbage to industrial debris. Its efficient design and high compaction ratio make it a valuable tool for waste management companies looking to enhance their operations. One of the standout features of the Pacmat waste compactor is its versatility and ease of use. The machine can be operated by a single person and is equipped with intuitive controls, making it accessible for operators of all skill levels. Gandini Mechanica Energy 800. The Gandini Mechanica Energy 800 is a powerful wood chipper designed for forestry and biomass production. This machine is engineered to process large volumes of wood quickly and efficiently, converting logs and branches into high-quality wood chips. The Energy 800 features a high-performance engine and robust cutting system, allowing it to handle large-diameter wood with ease. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise operation, providing operators with optimal control over the chipping process. One of the key strengths of the Gandini Mechanica Energy 800 is its efficiency and reliability. The machine is designed for continuous operation, with durable components that can withstand the demands of intensive use. Hitachi Construction EX8006 Excavator. The Hitachi Construction EX8006 Excavator is one of the largest and most powerful hydraulic excavators in the world. This machine is designed for large-scale mining and construction projects, where its immense power and digging capabilities are put to the test. The EX8006 is equipped with a high-performance twin-engine system that delivers exceptional power, allowing it to move massive amounts of earth and rock with ease. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and precise control, enabling operators to perform complex digging operations with remarkable accuracy. One of the standout features of the Hitachi Construction EX8006 is its impressive digging force and reach. The machine's robust boom and arm are engineered to handle heavy loads and withstand the stresses of intense digging operations. Rockcon tie refinator H4. The Rockcon tie refinator H4 is a specialized machine designed for agricultural and land reclamation projects. This machine is engineered to break up rocky ground and convert it into arable soil, making it an essential tool for farmers and land developers. The Refinator H4 features a powerful engine and robust rotating drum fitted with hardened steel tines, which break up rocks and soil clumps effectively. Its advanced hydraulic system provides smooth and precise control, allowing operators to adjust the depth and intensity of the rock-breaking process. One of the key advantages of the Rockcon tie Refinator H4 is its ability to transform unproductive land into fertile ground. The machine's innovative design allows it to handle a variety of soil and rock types, making it suitable for use in different agricultural and land reclamation scenarios. Mechlift NL1612R. The Mechlift NL1612R is a versatile and powerful multi-purpose forklift designed for heavy-duty material handling tasks. This machine is equipped with a high-performance engine and advanced hydraulic system, allowing it to lift and transport heavy loads with ease. The NL1612R's unique telescopic boom design provides exceptional reach and flexibility, enabling it to handle materials in confined spaces and challenging environments. Its robust construction and durable components make it a reliable choice for demanding industries such as logistics, manufacturing, and construction. One of the standout features of the Mechlift NL1612R is its adaptability. The forklift can be fitted with a variety of attachments, including forks, clamps, and lifting hooks, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks. Uniforest Hydraulic Forestry Winch. The Uniforest Hydraulic Forestry Winch is a powerful and versatile machine designed for logging and forestry operations. This winch is engineered to pull heavy logs and timber with ease, making it essential for efficient forest management and logging activities. The Uniforest winch features a high-performance hydraulic system that delivers exceptional pulling force, allowing it to handle large and heavy logs effortlessly. Its robust construction and durable components ensure reliable performance in demanding environments. One of the key features of the Uniforest Hydraulic Forestry Winch is its ease of use and safety. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.